Hello. Just thought I'd say hey and give you a little tour of our house. Here's our door where the entrance is. We got a couple mattresses set here that we're taking that's a little broken, but we're getting rid of. We'll get rid of that soon. And this is our house. Here's the the kitchen and little area that peeks around the living room. Here's the living room area. This is our abode. There's my wife. Say hello, my beautiful wife.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm in my pajamas. Nice.
Beautiful. We're about to eat dinner. It's really late at night, but we've been going all day. It's beautiful. Here's the hallway, and we're done. Here's the bathroom. This is our little bathroom here. The toilet. Here's our bedroom. This is and there's our closet, and you've seen the entirety of our apartment. It's small, but we like it. Here's the mirror. I just wanted to say, hey, I love you, and I hope that y'all are all doing okay. Christian, I love you, brother. I've always loved you. I hope you're doing well. And Jenna and the kids, I hope you're doing well too. Quade, Clayton, and Reese, I love you, and I look forward to seeing you again. I also thought I would show evidence that I still have Quade's blanket that he gave me. Let's see, where is the little corner we wrote on when I left? There it is. There it is. See, Quade, I will miss you, Uncle Luke. That was December 27th of 06. So I love y'all, and I hope you're doing okay, and I hope you like seeing our house. All right, bye bye.